Do you have an extra 40,000 laying around? Are you a big track monster? Do you want to show off all your friends a bike that only 100 other people in the world can get? Well, KTM has the bike for you. If you didn't hear, KTM revealed the new RC8C, which is the track-only new version of the RC8 that was the old street superbike, whatever you want to call it, that KTM used to make. This is a completely different monster. Instead of the 1190 motor, it's got the 890 from the Duke R. It's, again, track only. It pretty much looks like a Moto 2 bike with the front fairing winglet things on the front. No seat, full exhaust system already, fully adjustable rear sets and suspension and everything. It is a fully built track bike, which is incredible. Let's just put this into perspective here. I love the RC8. Absolutely love that thing. For how aggressive it looks, for how few of them there are, they're just incredible. I absolutely love that bike. This, I'm not so keen on. They took the super aggressive, pointy styling, hard lines of the original RC8 and made it into a bike for the track. Obviously that's what it is, but like there's just nothing to it to me that screams like RC8 the next version. It's just, here's a completely different bike. We're gonna tack the RC8 on, add a C, and here you go, 40 grand. Ta-da! I mean, it's very, 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 very exclusive considering the fact that it literally is only going to be 100 units produced. I don't know if that's this year or in total, whatever it is. If you want to read the full article and see all the pictures, like I have some included, but if you want to see all of the pictures of the frame and everything like that, I will link the link for the motorcycle.com article that I'm reading right now, or that I'm reading from or looking at, and the pictures are from. Obviously the video is their promotion for it, however you want to say, whatever it is. I think it's cool. It's very, very different considering the fact that it's kind of going in the way of the Yamaha R6 now. It's got a bigger engine, but being track only focused, you can't ride this on the road. I'm assuming there's probably no way you can get it road registered because it's probably unrestricted and who knows. But I think it looks really cool. For what it is, I bet you it is an absolute monster. Being that the Duke R, the Super Duke, all those range of motors have just power for days. No absolute want for more. And if this is just going to be, let's be honest here. If somebody's going to buy this, they have a bunch of money. I mean, 40 grand is a lot of money to put into just a street bike, or not a street bike, just a track bike that you can't do, both with. So this is going to be for the super, I don't want to say super elite. This is going to be for the people with a lot of money that want to show off at the track. Oh, look at my new bike, blah, blah, blah. No one ever is going to have something cool like this because there's only so many in the world. I mean, if this is 100 for the world, you're going to see very, very few of these ever out. And I bet you see few of these ever actually run, for just the sheer fact that so few of them are being built and how expensive they are. Very, very few people are going to want to crash these bikes. And I'm assuming if you do, there's not going to be very many parts to fix it or places to touch it. And, it's going to be one of those things. But I think it's cool. I really, really hope that they make an actual street version of it, even if it's not the 1200 motor, even if it is the 890 like this one. I still think it'd be cool to have a new RC8, or for KTM to not just have supermotos and stuff now, or the naked versions of everything, have a full fairing super bike to kind of be in the realm of the S1000 RRs and R1, stuff like that. So tell me what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you think that the promotional video was cut more than a action scene in early 2000s? You tell me what you think. But as you're doing it, comment down below, scroll down, hit the little subscribe button. The thumbs up is right there too. All of my socials, I can't say that word. All of my social links, jeez, whatever, will be in the description like always, along with the link, like I said, to the motorcycle.com article that this is from. And I shall see you all later. Peace.